Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Putra Pratama Lubis.
And I am Wahendra Afifah. We are students of 12th grade of National High School 1 Lego.
In this video, we will presentation about
Our job training report at Garuda Media Telematika Company. Okay, first we will discuss the topic from chapter 1, which is introduction.
Okay. On the 1.1, we will explain about background. So, why we do training in PT Garuda Media Telematika?
We choose this company because it's according our major network and computer engineering. So we decide to do training in internet service provider company.
Okay, next 1.2 is about company profile. Garuda Media Telematika is one of the internet service provider companies located in Jombang. This company is an official company and has received permission from the government and become a member of APJI or Association of Indonesia Internet Service Provider.
Where is located? Garuda Media Telematika Company has located in Street Masjid, Blimbing, Gudo, Jombang. And what the service?
This internet service provider serves some service that is dedicated, broadband, dedicated up to, and partnership.
Okay, next 1.3 is the purpose. This job training report was made to fulfill the English report assignment as one of the requirements to complete the final project in this last semester. Then, for knowledge about the experience of industrial work, a situation for National High School students, we take the computer and network engineering study program. And last, this job training report is written so that students have the ability to improve the types of skill obsessed by students from their internship.
Next, in 1.4 is about advantage. This job report was written to get some benefit of knowledge, information about work in the field of internet service provider to any vocational student, to obtain information about all knowledge that can be obtained during work practice, to introduce students to field work in industry and the business world.
Then we going to chapter 2, which is about practical training.
2.1 is organization employees. This company is led by Mr. Sudarji as CEO.
The administrator is Miss Febriana Miftahul Jannah, and the IP core is Mr. Effendi. Then, the head of technician is Mr. Denny Palestino.
Under IP core, there is Network Operation Center or NOC. That is Mr. Bayu Herlambang and Mr. Rifki Nur Rahman.
Mr. Denny Palestino, as a head of technician, has subordinate technician, that is Mr. Vicky Pratama, Mr. Zulfikri Zaki, Mr. Abdul Razak, Mr. Syamsul Arifin, Mr. Ipang, and Mr. Yogi Dermawan.
2.2 is about training outlet and environment. We have spent most of the training to learn installation and troubleshooting wireless and wired network,
Fiber optic cable installation
and proxy configuration for the web,
installation of Wi-Fi and several internet support tools including
ODP or optical distribution point, JB or joint box,
OTP or optical termination box, antenna, and there is microwave, grid, and groove. In carrying out these field activities, we are guided by the chief technician, namely Mr. Denny Palestino.
2.3 we will identify current project and following up the work. First month at January, the first month of internship is an introduction to office activities. the office environment and activities in the field.
Next, we acquire the material studied with students from other school so that in the future they can get the same material. We are also introduced to partner place for the subsequent division of tasks.
Second month at February. In February, we spend a lot of time work in the field. In the first week, we are introduced the tool that we will use. For example, splicer, fiber stripper, fiber cleaver, optical power meter, and many more.
For the next, we began to practice how to connect fiber optic cables, check signal attenuation, and measure signals using an optical time domain reflectometer.
Okay, in March, we were getting used to going into the field and doing work as IT support.
The work we often do is the installation of Wi-Fi network on the client, maintenance of internet line, and in addition, we also invite to build a tower and install a transmitting antenna on the tower.
Next, at April is start of Ramadan fasting. However, we are often involved in the construction of large projects within the city and outside the city. The project we are involved among others in Malang, Parekediri, and Bojonegoro. The last week of April and the first week of May, we are close to prepare for celebration of Eid al-Fitr.
Next, the last month at May, in the first week, we are still off in celebration of Eid al-Fitr. Then, in the second week, we were back in the office and start our activities as usual. In the past month, we have focused on the things and work that we have not mastered, so that when we return to school, we have mastered what is done at internship. We also complete the administration that must be complete before returning to the school, such as journal, absence, and also list of grade.
Next, chapter 3. Next, chapter 3, which is about closing and recommendation. Okay, 3.1 is conclusion.
Everyone, the conclusion of our report is after we are carrying out in training at Garuda Media Telematika, we have earned a lot of knowledge, experience of theory parties, and material about network service and installation that have never been studied at the school.
And we also earn of a lot knowledge about character building for teenagers like us to prepare for the world of work. Last, in 3.2 is about suggestion and recommendation.
In our opinion, there is not much advice for Garuda Media Telematika company. It is just about the division of tasks is not that we get much heavier than other school. And the advice for ourselves is to learn even better about the world of internet and networks and keep in mind what we have got while at Garuda Media Telematika company. Okay guys, that's the presentation we can convey. Thank you for watching and paying attention. If there any question, you can add to commentar. Thanks all and see you.